All right, in a certain class, a certain language school has two classes. So I got two classes of kids. Is the range of ages, well, how do you find range? The range is the largest minus the smallest. Largest minus smallest. So you take the child with the oldest age and subtract off the child with the youngest age, and that would give you your range. So is the range of ages and years of the children in the first class to the range of ages in the second class. So let's say they're trying to figure out ranges in first class. Is it equal to the range in the second class? All right, remember, the range is the largest number minus the smallest number, and we've got two classes. All right, what's clue 1 say? In each class, the number of children is 18. The number of children, I'm going to call that N. N is 18. I got 18 in each class. Each class number of children is 18. And the age of the youngest child is 8. So, smallest age or youngest age is 8 years old. So I've got these two classes, class 1 and class 2, and there's 18 kids in each. And I know the youngest is 8 years old. But I don't know what the greatest age is. So that didn't help me. The number of kids in the classroom doesn't help me find the range. The range is the largest age minus the smallest age. So clue 1 doesn't work. But let's look at clue 2. In each class, the average age of the children is 10 years old. So average in the first class equals the average in the second class, and that average is 10. But does that tell me anything about the oldest child or the youngest child in each class? No, it doesn't. So that doesn't work. So now what we do is we put them together. If we put them together, well, we got N is 18. 18 kids in each class. Youngest is 8 years old. Average is 10. Well, how do you find the average? Let me see if I can get something out of that. What you do is you sum up the ages. You divide by however many kids you have. And we know we have 18. And we know that average is 10. So if I multiply both sides by 18, I know the sum of my ages is 180. But I don't know anything about how old the largest kid is. We only know that the youngest is 8. So nothing works. Answer is E.